Radium is the 88th element in the periodic table. As its name implies, it is radioactive and is an alkaline earth metal, along with beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. Radium-226 exists as part of uranium-238's decay chain. I touched on this in my americium video, but radioactive elements break down over time into different elements. With alpha decay, this entails a drop by 2 atomic numbers. With beta minus decay, it increases by 1 but loses a neutron. So it goes uranium-238 to thorium-234 to protactinium-234 to uranium-234 to thorium-230 to radium-226 before breaking down further. On average, half of the radium-226 atoms will decay within 1600 years. As atoms decay, they give off heat and energy. That's the gist of it anyway. Radium melts at 1,292 degrees Fahrenheit, boils at 3,159 degrees Fahrenheit, and radium has a density of 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Now, this sample is obviously not pure radium. Back in the 1920s and 1930s, they made wash hands with paint made with radium, and they glowed in the dark. This one only faintly glows in the dark still, as most of the zinc sulfate is gone, but traces of radium remain. So what is radium used for? Not much, really. It was discovered by Marie Curie, and she and others were mesmerized by it. Other than being used in luminous paint, it was used in everything from hair cream to toothpaste to radium water, which supposedly had a ton of health benefits. It wasn't long until people started getting cancer and dying from radiation exposure, and now radium is only used in research and occasionally as, ironically, a treatment for certain types of cancer. Marie Curie discovered radium in 1898. She managed to isolate it in 1911. It is present in uranium ore. She kept some by her bedside, which may or may not have helped bring about her demise. However, the insane amounts of radioactive material she handled during her life certainly was a major factor in her death. It opened up so many new avenues for chemistry and physics, but she sadly gave her life for that cause, though she was recognized with having the element curium named after her. Radium's abundance in the Earth's crust is 0.9 parts per trillion, making it the 85th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. But among elements with no stable isotopes, only thorium, uranium, and bismuth are more common. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.